Hey guys, Wallace here. Welcome back to my special Q&A series on YouTube. Today I'll answer a question related to, yes, the dreaded 6-month passport rule. Alright, so this question came in from Terry, and Terry is an ardent subscriber and reader of my website here, and I'm going to read it for you and then state my response to her. By the way, just before I do, I should let you know that this and all my Q&A are already answered and responded to on my website in detail. You can find the link to this particular response in the description below. All right? Oh, great. So here's this was Terry's question. Well, Leslie, do you know anything of this 6 months passport rule for Jamaica? It is very confusing. Myself and some friends wanted to come to Jamaica in December this year, but we are not understanding this law for Jamaica and trying to find out if it's true. If my passport expires January next year, do I have to wait 6 months before I come? Some of my friends have passport and some have none, and we're about to get new ones, but wanted to know if this 6 months rule is true or not. Do you have any clear insight into this matter? Please let me know. So this was my response to Terry. There is indeed a 6 month passport rule, using her word. According to PICA, this is the government agency responsible for all processes relating to passport, immigration, and citizenship in Jamaica. There is indeed a 6 month rule where you need to, or travelers to Jamaica need to book and travel a clear 6 months before their passport expires. That's it. In the case of Terry, her passport was expiring in January, I think January 25. So Terry, counting 6 months back, Terry would need to travel by August 25th. Book and travel by August 25th this year. That's it. That's it, nothing else. According to PICA, it's actually an international policy to prevent delays and issues with travel, immigration, overstay, and those sort of things. So that's it. That's it. My recommendation to Terry and to you as well is that basically, if your passport is expiring, make sure you apply, certainly within, if not a year, certainly within 9 months of expiration. That way you have absolutely no issues, all right? Assuming you're getting it back in time, of course, but by a year or 9 months, apply for a new passport and you should be all set, okay? If this was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up. And if there's someone you think would benefit from this information, please make sure you share it with them as well. I'd love to hear from you. Drop me a line in the comment section below. And finally, if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all my latest videos from Jamaica, including this, the Q&A series. Thank you.